Hello friends, this is Pratik Chaudhary with the topic time and work. This topic is very important in the view of all the competitive examinations. So let's study this topic in the shortest way. Let's have a look toward the first problem. A does a work in 10 days and B does the same work in 15 days. And it is asked that in how many days they together will do the same work. So let's prepare the chart given below. First, place two person A and B. Then focusing on the dates, it's given that A does the certain work in 10 days whereas B does it in 15 days. So let's find out its LCM. We know that its LCM is 30. So we'll get 10 multiplied by 3 is 30 and 15 multiplied by 2 is 30. Now A and B is working together. So let's consider the work done by A and B on per day. Consider the example of pens and consider A and B making the pens in certain days. Fine. So it is given that A makes 3 pens per day, work for 10 days, and he'll make 30 pens. Similarly, B is making 2 pens per day, working for 15 days, he'll be able to make 30 pens. Now, A makes 3 pens per day, B makes 2 pens per day. So, combining the work of A and B together, they both will make 5 pens per day, and we have to make 30 pens. We have to make 30 pens. So, clearly, they are making the 5 pens per day. It needs 6 days to them to make 30 pens overall. Hope this problem have cleared your idea about time and work. Second problem is A and B can do a piece of work in 20 days and 12 days respectively. A started work alone and then after 4 days B joined him till the completion of work. How long did the work last? So again prepare the chart. Place two person A and B. Focus on the days. A work for 20 days and B work for 12 days. Finding out its LCM will get 60 as LCM. So we find that 20 multiplied by 3 is 60 and 12 multiplied by 5 is 60. So it is again the example of pens clearly. Here A makes 3 pens per day and works for 20 days. That's why he'll make 60 pens. Similarly, B is making 5 pens per day, work for 12 days. So he'll make 60 pens. That is given that A started the work alone and after 4 days B joined him. So for 4 days A is working alone. So let's take the work done of A. We know that A is making 3 pens per day. So put this 3 here. Then it's given that A is working for 4 days. Then he'll make 12 pens clearly. 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12 pens. Actually, we have to make 60 pens, out of which 12 pens are made. So remaining pens are 60 minus 12, that is 48. So place this 48 in the lowermost right side of the table. So remaining pens are 48. Now for making the 48 pens, B is joining the A. It means A and B is working together and they have to make the 48 pens. Now considering the work done by A and B per day, A makes 3 pens per day, B makes 5 pens per day. So overall combining the work of A and B makes 8 pens per day and they have to make 48 pens. So A and B is working, they are making 8 pens per day and they have to make 48 pens. So clearly they need 6 days to make 48 pens. Now it is asked that how long did the work last? It means total work is completed in how many days? So A work for 4 days, A and B work for 6 days. Combining the work of A and A plus B will get 4 plus 6, that is 10 days. So total work last for 10 days is your final answer. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. If you really like this video then please subscribe it and share it as much as possible. Thank you. Thank you so much.